Here's how to create a futuristic space city. Step 1. Shoot 2 videos of the skyline and yourself. Clip 1. Take a video of the skyline. Clip 2. Take a video of yourself gazing at the stars. Step 2. Add a starry night sky to your video. Import the video of the skyline into InShot. Press PIP, then Materials, Empty Shot, and select the video of the moon. Press Autofill to fit to screen. Then select the linear mask and mask out the road. Drag the blending tool to blend the layers. Add the material again to cover the other stretch of the road. This time, use the rectilinear mask to mask out the crossroad. Then add the original video once again, and use the rectangular mask to get the building back in frame. Now save this video and import it back into InShot. Step 3. Add yourself on top of the building. Import the saved video into InShot once again. Add the moon video from the materials library. Use the linear mask to create a starry night sky. Then add the video of yourself perched on the table, or in this case, a panel? Press cutout to remove the background. I also flipped my video so that I look like I'm gazing at the stars below me. Anything goes when you're creating videos, so get creative. And there you have it, a dreamy video of you stargazing from the city skyline. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.